Okay, get the stick down there and stir. There you go. Okay, stir all the way around. Okay, you're making soap, Andrew. Okay, go in the middle and all the way around. And here's Andrew making soap. He's gonna make man cave. Here, push it down there. Okay, just keep it going. Keep it going. Okay, push, push, push. Alright. Alright, and then, yeah, and then just put that down. Oh, like now, like that. And then stand that one up. Push down over here. Oh, okay, no, put the wax paper back. Yeah, right there. All right, welcome back to Ladybug Lane Soaps, and my son Andrew. This is the batch that he made, and this is the man cave. There we go. I was going to say something else. This is the man cave fragrance, and it behaved very, very well. And so Andrew already cut up. Let me twirl this around. He already cut up the loaves right there. So he's just gonna cut this one loaf right now. So okay, Andrew. So we're gonna cut it at 1 1/4 inches. Ooh, that's loud. Okay, so hold the okay, a little back. Okay, and then show the top of it. Yes, isn't that nice, Andrew? Okay, and I'm going to twirl this around so I can show my son Andrew. There he is. Say hi.
Hi.
So Andrew, did you have a lot of fun making your first batch of soap?
I did.
Yeah. Are you? Would you like to make some more?
Sure.
All right. Excellent. Okay, down we go. So was it a lot of work, you think? Or did you miss out on that? Yeah, because I was the one who measured out. Okay, just careful. So is it feeling like it's pretty hard because it's been out of the mold for like about what 2 or 3 days, so it's pretty hard. And yeah, so I measured out all of the oils and everything, and I mixed up the lye solution. It seems like that's the part that always seems to take a long time, but anyway, yeah, Andrew did well. So we have a family of soap makers now. No, I think I want to put like one of those fuzzy circle little pads down there, so it's not quite so loud. Oh my goodness. So okay, so you're gonna cut the whole thing up, Andrew?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So Andrew, what was the most fun part when you were making the man cave?
I'd say making the top.
Oh, making the top. Were you expecting this fragrance oil to accelerate?
A little bit.
A little, yeah. Yeah, see, now Andrew knows all about acceleration and everything because he's been watching me make soap for, is it going to be 6? Yeah, so he was just 5. That's loud. Yeah, it was just 5 years last October. So, all right, where are you? There you are. All right, so say, oh, I wonder if I can scoot you up here. Oh, no, up. Uh, there's my son Andrew. And Andrew, how old are you?
27.
27. All righty. So, wait, do you want to do the send off this time?
Sure. Bye.
Alrighty, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.